Hello everyone. Today I will show and tell about my favorite animal. My favorite animal is a cat. Cats are domestic and pet animals. It has four legs, two bright eyes, two ears, and a long tail. Cats are of different colors like black, brown, golden, white, orange, and grey. Its body is covered with soft and silky hair. Cats have very sharp claws and pointed teeth. Cats are very smart, active, and brave. A cat can easily climb any tree. Cats have a very powerful sense of hearing and smelling. It likes to eat meat and fish and drink milk. Cats make meow meow sound. I love cats very much. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.